Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Lana Doll on Dress to Impress. So, super easy. Actually, it does take a long time, kind of, but it's easy. So, you are first going to go to the shelf and you will be able to see a yarn. You are going to get that and you're going to press E for I think like 30 seconds or a minute, I'm not sure. But I didn't count it. And then you are going to go to the house outside. It's just me speeding it up. And you'll see at the back of the house, you will see a stack of hay. And you're going to again press E. And then you'll see like a needle fly out of it. And you're going to select it again. Then you are going to the upstairs bedroom. To the left, you will see a teddy bear near the picture of a dog. And then you're going to press the bear again for a few seconds here. And then you'll get buttons. Once you're done, you are going to go back to the salon. Then you are going to fix the broken doll by pressing E again. Like that. This is just me speeding up everything because it's going to take the video like a few minutes to make. Sorry. It's going to take you guys so long to watch, so I didn't make it that long. Then you are going to put on the doll here once you've done fixing it. And voila! That is it for this video. There's 4 toggles to this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.